Hello friends, my name is Sandeep and you are watching Civil Engineers Talk. Today's my topic is an effective method of waterproofing of any rooftop or any terrace of building or sunken portion of bathroom. So friends, before discussing that method of waterproofing, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest update. So friends, let us start our topic. So friends, waterproofing method. Actually, waterproofing is a method and a procedure in which we construct a layer or lay a layer on a existing surface to prevent that surface from leakage. So it is called waterproofing. So there are many methods of waterproofing, but today we discuss only uh, effective and very useful method, which is called brick bed method or brick bed coba. Brick bed waterproofing or brick bed coba. It is a very common method of waterproofing, and it is a ordinary method for terrace waterproofing, bathroom sunken portion, and rooftop. So brick bed waterproofing is the oldest and effective method in which the pieces of brick sandwiched between two layers of mortar or the brick bed laid on existing surface and grout and finished with the rich mortar along with the waterproofing chemical or any equivalent compound. So it is an effective method and complete solution for a terrace. So there is a reason, there is a few reasons to do brick bed coba or brick bed waterproofing. As you can see on the screen, it is very common for buildings in heavy rainy areas or rain where or wherever the rain is more than average. So it is it is an extra layer on the existing surface that prevent your interior venting and your electrical appliances, and it also prevent leakage and dampness in your ceiling. So it should be a minimum 6 inches in thickness. Benefits of brick bed. It is it is an extra layer as we discussed on previously, and it prevents from leakage and dampness of roof, as we discussed internal finish of building like internal painting of apartment, wall ceilings, electrical appliances, and another one is it is also work as a insulating surface and heat to prevent heat to that may cause disturbance to habitation. And also it also helps to drain out rainwater in a drain line that can be used for rain harvesting purpose. It also prevents the existing and old rooftop from crack leakage, crack damage, and it increases the life of roof. Procedure procedure of surf pro- procedure of brigade inspection of surface as the following: clean the surface or RCC slab before please inspect the RCC surface and prepare a procedure according to that surface. So let's start one by one the procedure of brickway. Clean the surface or RCC slab. Wash out surface with water and ensure that the parapet and parapet wall should be constructed because it is a barrier for barrier on terrace that will help a proper waterproofing and prevention prevention of joint leakage. And remove all loose concrete by hacking the surface and collect it and throw out or dump it on a place. Inspect, is there any crack or surface on surface? If yes, then it needs a special treatment. If there is no cracks there, then there will be no any special treatment. Wash out the surface after loose concrete removal and treat cracks. So first of all, if there is any crack, then treat that crack. So let's start the procedure of treatment of cracks. First, check and ensure that the crack is a major or and it may cause leakage. And if there is a hair crack, so no need a special treatment. If there is a major crack, then need a special treatment. Open cracks in V shaped, a minimum 5 to 10 mm deep and 3 to 5 mm to 10 mm in depth as the condition of work. Crack. Blow out the dust from the crack completely and wash out it carefully. Fill sealant in the crack or mix of cement and waterproofing compound or chemical in it and remain after crack filling spray remain it for one half and 1 hour for setting and then spray water for final setting and curing purpose. After crack filling, Apply, again check and ensure that there is any other leakage or any cracks from surface. After crack filling, apply spray of water on surface and apply first coat of waterproofing compound and any equivalent waterproofing compound, and remain it for 5 to 6 hours to set it, and thereafter apply second coat of waterproofing compound mixed with the cement or any equivalent chemical, and remain it for 12 to 24 hours, and it need a spray of water at curing minimum 3 times on in a day. It is important for setting and hydration of cement. After application of waterproofing compound, all fill its surface and walls joint by metal binding or making hunch with the help of brick bed, and cure it for with a rich mortar 1 raised to 3 or 1 raised to 4 along with the waterproofing compound. Apply chemical with cement or equivalent compound on parapet wall up to 12 to 18 inch in height to prevent leakage from joints of wall and existing surface. Joint filling or joint binding. It is a very important while doing brick bed coma or any waterproofing on the surface of existing or in bathrooms. So after application of waterproofing compound, fill the wall joints and the surface joint by the metal binding or making hunch with the rich mortar and brick. Cure with water to prevent cracks and final setting of mortar. Mortar should be reached 1 raised to 3 or 1 raised to 4 along with the waterproofing compound. It should be in proper manner and well skilled person or workmanship required for it. The broken piece of brick should be in zigzag pattern or V-shape pattern. After joint filling, prepare rich mortar 1 raised to 3 or 1 raised to 4 with waterproofing compound or any equivalent chemical. Apply minimum 2 inches layer on the surface and start brick bed laying in mortar. First ensure it should be in first ensure brick should be in good condition and not too burnt, and it also required a skilled workmanship and good supervision. It should be done under the engineer in charge or site in charge or a supervisor. After completion of brick bed laying, keep it under the water minimum 3 days and or fill fully or merge brick bed on water, or you can do ponding on the surface, and inspect the internal surface of rooftop, because if there will be any crack after treatment, then it it will visible on the surface of the roof in internal part. If there will be any cracks, then you should work on it and treat it, and then do same procedure again. Do joint fillings on a brick bed up to height in or make a hunch up to minimum 6-inch height, as you can see on the photo. And if there is no leakage in internal part of roof, then start grout or filling or fill with it rich mortar along with the waterproofing compound, or sandwich the brick with a layer of mortar minimum 2 inches. After finish, make it should be under water for 7 days, or maintain moisture for proper setting and gaining the strength without any crack. So thank you for watching us. Please do subscribe, like and share. We are C Engineers Talk, and press bell icon for latest update and for more videos.